Okay, let's see. Okay, now it works. On Twitter, we are live. On Twitch, we should be live as well. Creator dashboard, manage stream. Okay. The bitrate looks a bit bad. Why? Don't do this to me. Let me see if on YouTube it's the same problem. Okay. On YouTube we don't have this problem. I hope it's gonna improve. Okay, it did. Okay, we're officially live. So welcome or welcome back. Today, as it's written in the title, we are gonna continue our vibe coded YouTube thumbnail generation with the new model, the Nano Banana model. So what we did the last stream was just this. We had the text to image. So we could have told him, for example, let's say, let's choose a nice vegetables, a cucumber riding a shark. And we have a cucumber riding a shark coming soon. Let me also take my convex dashboard. Let me see where I have it. I think it's this one. Data files. Okay, we have them here. Let me delete those two. Delete. Oops. I broke something on Codex. And let me delete all the images. Delete. And delete the files. So we don't have issues. Okay. So I also worked on the image to image model. So what we can do is, let's say we take the thumbnail of this stream and we say, make the background pink. Sorry. The insert button doesn't work. Let's do it like this. It should work with just the button. Okay, the image is generated. I can see it's my convex. Okay. So I guess in convex it's storing both the original image and the modified image. Okay, makes sense. Okay. Yes, it's storing both images. They are hella heavy. It's almost 2 megabytes, the new one, and 1.1 megabytes, the old one. So at one point, maybe we should implement something like upload thing or wherever S3 we find. But yeah, that's basically it. I mean, it's almost perfect. It kept the two yellow, but whatever. But that's what we have right now. So let's work on a couple of things. First of all, let's clear the home and to do page and just keep the thumbnail one because those two were the one added with the better T3 stack template. So let's go. Today we are going to use Codex. Sorry, I misspelled Codex. And we are also going to test Augie, that is the CLI tool of Augment Code. So Augment Code. Augment Code is another IDE extension mainly that it's similar to, let's say, Client, Root Code, etc. But it has one huge USP that is the better context retrieval. There's a context engine that is really, really good. And now you can use it also via CLI. So let me index my code base. It's going to be helpful for stuff that are more context reliable. It's gonna be out. Sorry, as I was checking if the audio is fine. Seems fine on all the platforms. So I hope we don't have huge issues. So okay, the code is indexed. Perfect. So let's start with Aggie actually. Do they have a plan mode? Plan? They know. Let me see what commands they have. We can change the model, I think, from Sonnet to GPT. Okay. What else? Oh, I have in my Augie all my cloud code commands. That's nice. But for now, let's just, do they have the inits? I think they just use the agents.md. Let's start asking him, please remove the boilerplate UI like the home and the to-do page and make the thumbnail generate. Let's say, and keep the thumbnail generator in the let's say root slash thumbnail in the path wherever you will understand, and in the home let's create a simple landing page. I'm just gonna say ultra think. I don't think it's gonna make any difference in this case specifically, but yeah, let's try. So this is the final image, by the way. It's almost perfectly just the two that has some problems. The UI inside, it's really cool. Outside, it's yeah, work in progress for sure. Let me also link the live on Twitter. I don't know if someone is watching on Twitter. So. I think I just sent the Twitter studio. Okay, wherever. Not an issue. Let me just one sec. Okay. So let's see what Huggy is doing. Doing stuff right now. In the meantime, that we wait for this, let me see if we had actually interesting news. There was one that's really interesting and important, and it's related to Codex. So that now has an IDE extension, and the Codex UI is also a lot better. So this is one. Microsoft released a new open source text to speech model, but this week was a bit calmer, let's say. Okay, everything. Mm, Okay, nice. I need to ask him to fix my dark mode because right now it's atrociously bad. We had a runtime error. Okay. Okay, that's pretty nice. Let me also bring the Codex news here. So they released the ID extension. They have code review in GitHub, but this I still need to try it. But it seems really cool. It's basically the same thing of the Cloud Code GitHub action. So you just uh, ping him in a PR, for example, and he will review it for you. And now the Codex CLI has a bunch more features like image inputs, the text to speech that is integrated. I think is with Control T. Yeah, say something cool. I don't know. It works. Yeah. So you're using this stuff. Um, I don't know how it works, but all right. So we had a bunch of new improvements. Codex CLI now with GPT-5 High is really good. For anyone that, well, I think I need to update it. Let me run a quick command. Okay, let me restart this. Codex search. Remember that if you want to change the model, you just do /model and you go to GPT-5 High. It is the best model you can get. And so it's the most performant one. The connection seems to be good. Okay. So we already have our agents.md, so we don't need that. Let's see how Agi is doing. Please fix my dark mode. It looks really bad now. Let me also give him a screenshot. Yeah, we have a couple of issues, so we are gonna fix those issues. Okay, no, we don't have them. Uh, Shift Command 3. Let me also add keycaster so you can see my keystrokes. And you have the image here. Maybe Command V, Control V. I think I cannot add images. Also, I don't know why my keystrokes are in the other screen. Okay, I brought them back. So now you can see them. Can I add the image? I don't think so. Then let's ask this to Codex, please. improve my dark mode. It looks really bad right now. Can I have the image? Can I drop the image? Yes. Image. Can I drop the image? He's doing some stuff. Let me close this one and close this as well. And for people who don't know, what I mentioned in the title, Convex, is the backend that we are currently using. Let me go to the Convex page, just Convex to that. So it's a really, really nice backend. It has a great sync engine. So basically, you change the data in your database and it changes instantly in the UI. It has almost 11K stars on GitHub because the project is completely open source. You can host it wherever you want. And there is something super, super cool that is the components. So those are like pre-made modules, let's call it like that you can use in your code base. For example, you have RAG, you have cron jobs, the resend API, so you can send emails. You have persistent text streaming now, so you can build your AI chatbots pretty easily. And now they support the ISDK 5, if I remember correctly. So it's even better now. The Chilio SMS, a bunch of cool stuff. So yeah, I basically started to migrate everything I do to Convex, mostly because it's really, really easy to build with and using AI agents, because everything you do with Convex, it's stored in the Convex file. So let me just find it. It's in packages in this case. You have your Convex file, and everything related to the database and the backend is just inside this file. So yeah. Also, if you're vibe coding with it, you go here, you go in the own developers, the documentation. They have AI agent rules. So you go here, sorry, here, you write rules, and you should find, let's say, AI rules here in the AI code generation. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, here. So you just download the convex rules txt and you just paste it in your code base. Everyone says that GPT-5 has really, really good taste in UI. Let's see this really, really good taste. It surely looks a lot better than before. So it's already a step ahead. Yeah, that's a lot better actually. Okay. So now, let me see if I have the design rules here. Okay. Are we following exactly those rules? If not, please apply them. Let's see. So I have a bunch of design rules. If you guys want, I can leave it in the comments of this live or wherever you want. You can DM me on Twitter. It is just simple rules that like the 60, 30, 10 or some specific CSS stuff, Tailwind stuff. The 4 rule, like the 4 pixel rule, etc. So pretty simple stuff that will make your UI a lot better. In the meantime, let's ask Agi to implement another feature. I want to implement a new feature. I want to be able to import images that I already generated into the image to image section with one click. So I just want to click somewhere here, let's say another button, and import the images directly here. I should also have a small prompt and answer because I saw from a Logan post. Logan is like the head of AI DeepMind or something like that. That they have new Gemini. Let me just search it so it's gonna be easier to explain. But they released a post when they specified some prompt rules for Gemini. So let me just find it. I think I have it saved somewhere. Give me a second. Okay, it's not here. Gemini prompting rules. Latest. I had them somewhere. Google AI Dev. Let's see if they have it here. Here, finally. Okay, prompting guide. Let's copy everything. Okay. And let's create a .md file. Let's say prompting rules.md. We have all the rules here. And what we are gonna do is we are gonna implement a simple AI announcement prompt button following those exact same rules. Let me just here prompting rules. Prompting. Why it doesn't see the prompt rules? I think it didn't go. Okay, it wasn't indexed yet. Okay, should be indexed now. Rules. I'm getting pissed. Okay, let's just copy paste the whole words. Okay. Use AI SDK and open router with GPT-5 Nano. So there is one post that I read, I think either this week or last week, on Convex Twitter, or it was on the AI SDK Twitter, is that now they support, they have AI SDK v5 support. So we should just be able to plug this in. That's really, really good because we can use the prompt and answer. We can plug it in AI SDK, not because it's so complex that it needs the framework itself, but if we have it, let's just use it so we can keep it for other stuff. So let me get an open router key in the meantime. Open router. So we can use the GPT-5 Nano. Also, guys, don't sleep on the mini and nano model of GPT-5. They're hella cheap and really, really good. Settings, keys. Let me get a key. Oh, I think I have one. Oh, whatever. Body creator. Let me get a key. Let me limit it to like $5. So if it gets leaked, at least I don't become poor. Cursor. Let me open my MV. One day I'll learn about a better way to import EMVs in general. I was searching actually, and I saw something like Doppler. So I don't know if it's gonna be my answer. I will graduate soon, but right now you can have my keys. So yeah, basically, let's rewind a bit what we did. The text to image that is like a banana riding a shark. They just generate the images. Everything gets saved into convex image storage. We need to have a way to compress those images because 1 MB at a time, I think I'm gonna go over the limit. And now we have the image generation. Let me see if I can import the image directly. Hmm. I don't feel like it's working. Let me get back. Okay, this we did it. Okay, perfect. Why is using GPT-4 on Mini? Don't do stupid stuff, please. Let me get the file here. Let me get the GPT-4 Mini. No, we want 5 Nano. I think I broke something. GPT-5 Nano. I think I broke something. No, what it is? expects one argument. Requested. Max tokens. I mean, oh, okay, wait. Here, why do I broke things? Let me just let me go to Codex. Please fix this error. I don't want to bother on what's the problem. Oh, it deleted everything. I mean, that's easier. Let me also check if the model is right. So it's Openai GPT 5 Nano. Yes. And for people that want to understand where I'm looking at, is this one. Let me get my other window. One second. Where is my other browser? Here. So I was looking here on OpenRouter. OpenRouter is an API provider. It basically has all the text models that you can search for. It's really, really cool. We can close this as well. And let's get back to cursor. And let's also fix the problem you are having with the image import. So, okay. So when I click here, nothing happens. Let me go to inspect and understand why. Install, clear, here. Yeah, the button doesn't do anything. Okay. The import button doesn't do anything. Please fix it. I want it to use the image we are importing as input for the image to image model. Here is almost done. Okay, and the error is fixed as well. Oh, it was written wrong. It's in camel case, I think they say. Let's see if Augie can understand what's the import button problem. Okay, so we are getting the issue. Oh, okay, it's working. Let me just refresh. Image to image. Let me get those images. Okay, and let's see. Import button. It was working, I said. Broke it again. Oh, okay, we have another button. Okay, it added another button, and now that button is working. So let me import. Uh, it's a bit difficult to click. It has a strange hitbox. Come on. Maybe like this. No. Okay, we need to change the hitbox. Or was it just slow? You see? I need to make those images smaller at every cost. Yeah, it's just slow as fuck. Um, please improve the. Yeah, let's just ask Codex. Please improve the hitbox of the import button to import the image in the image to image and and remove the redundant button since we have two import buttons right now. I think he changed the model again. He just put it model random. Like, no, I don't think it's a good solution. We don't want random model, so let me get back to Open Router and copy the slur or whatever his name. Router. It should be Openai slash OpenAI GPT-5 Nano, just to make sure we don't do strange stuff. Let me copy and paste this. Cursor, yeah, not here, yeah. Okay. Oh, we also have an EMV. Let me just change the EMV as well. EMV. Where did he put it? No, we don't have the EMV, so let's not worry about it. He's gonna use the Nano model. Yeah. Codex is doing its things. Let me get back to yeah. It's better to not open my Twitter timeline like this. Okay, now I have a better import button. Import. Oh, we already have the image. Import. Okay, let me add a good compression thing because we are just killing ourselves like this. The images are really huge. We need an efficient way to compress them a lot. Please suggest some options. Honestly, on the compression side, I really do not anything. Like I usually use an app that's called Squash. So that's what I do. I just put my images here and they get squashed. But besides that, honestly, I don't know anything about image compression. Everything's going good on the connection side. We are not getting problems. Let me see what Codex is saying. I think it's searching for stuff. Okay, let's wait for him then. Okay. Let's do both and remember convex also in the convex rules, so it doesn't do anything strange. And I need to check what this convex ingestion compression is. Let me check. Let me first check here in the documentation. They have a nice ASCII. So what's okay, it doesn't mention anything, so I don't know. Okay, it's doing a bunch of stuff. So, and after this, we are just gonna commit those changes. And right now we have everything in main, but who cares? Doesn't like this app as users. So. Let me see if we have other things that we want to change in the meantime. I want to also test the enhance button. So let's say change the text with a new era of image edit. Okay, let's improve the text. Let's see if it works. No, nice. Okay, let me see why it didn't work. So just failed to enhance the prompt. Let's see if here we see something bad. Okay, yes. What the fuck? What's this? It's a lot of numbers. I think we crashed Augie. Let's see if we can fix this problem. Okay, we have other suggestions from one of the AI studio, like Google DeepMind team. So let's also add those suggestions. I'm getting really mad if he tries to change the model again. But really, really mad. What did it would okay. Please add also those instructions in the prompt and answer. Let so let's see. Yeah, everything exploded. Amazing. Oh yeah, I killed the server. So come on, you can do it. I trust you. I believe in you. Param param papa. Was it for 3006? Did I see it correctly? Yes. What? 2006. Come on. Come on, I want to finish this live. I need to watch Kaiju number 8. I think it's already out. Let me see. Let me see if Kaiju number 8 is live. Yes, it's already live, so you better go fast. I think it's compressing the images. I mean, why it's compiling 30 seconds? What the fuck is doing? So amazing, it took 60 seconds to compile. I think I need to kill a bunch of no distances. Yeah. Let me run it. Convex dev once. Let me see if everything is good on this side. Okay, we are having issue with the compression. I thought so. No, I need to run it from the right directory. Come on. CD. Yeah. And try again. I always forget from which directory I need to run it. I need to update convex. Can I do ban update? Yes. The app is fully working. Let me spin up a server. PD. Oh, it's just spinning the backend. Yeah. PD. Okay. For 3006, I need to kill a bunch of no distances. I think Codex opened a bunch of them. Please kill all the no. And if I kill all the no distances, he's gonna kill my PC. Raycast, kill. Nodes. Like this. I don't think I'm gonna find it. Port. No. It was something P kill something something was. I still didn't memorize those important commands because I'm retarded. So okay, we got an issue here. What is this? Please fix. You can do it. You can do it. Let me see on Twitter if we. Shh. All good, all good. Prizes averted. It's just me clicking buttons that I need to click. So, let me see. Okay, now I don't want to say that Twitter is spying me or something. Something. I'm not into conspiracies. I'm not into anything. But okay, we have been talking about compression right now, and that's what I saw on Twitter. There is also a small little detail. It's compresso. That is a pun between compress and espresso. And for people who don't know, espresso macchiato. I'm Italian. So now, I don't know, Elon. Are you sure you're not spying on us? This is like Alexa kind of vibes. When I asked for a dishwasher and I found a dishwasher in my Amazon suggestion, huh? So yeah, compressor. Ay ay ay. Big data, big data. Mm. It's funny how people says that like developers gave a better name to Nano Banana, this Nano Banana, and then they say marketers renamed it to Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. What they don't understand is probably the. I don't think it's the opposite, but quite like that. I mean, there are no developers or no marketers that would prefer Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview to, let's say, Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana. But I also understand that they need to keep naming consistent. I mean, this word, the AI word, is such a fucking mess. People never understand what they want. It was the same with GPT-5. Like they said before GPT-5, we have too many models, we don't know what to use, the selector, blah blah. OpenAI spawned GPT-5, no selector anymore, and said, no, I want the old models back. I want to choose my models, and blah blah blah. AI people, or tech people in general, never learn, for real. Okay, let's see. So now I have my images. There a lot faster. Well, not this actually. The other one was. I think the image just got either corrupted or really, really bad. Let me see if I can import it. Import it. Okay, I cannot. Import. Oh, you cannot import the image in the text model, makes sense. It's still hella slow. Can I delete? Okay, the deletion works. I mean, now the compression should be a lot better. So let's say I want to create a tomato riding a rhinoceros. Let me just fix the grammar real quick. Let me also enhance the prompt. Let's see if it works. Why it doesn't work? I'm getting mad. Okay, let's clear everything and let's understand why it doesn't work once for all. I mean, that's amazing. Let's add a bit of debug. I still cannot use the prompt enhancer. Please don't change the model we are trying to use and add some debugging. I mean, the model exists. I don't see any problem, honestly. Maybe is it because I don't have the EMV? Could it be? But you should have told me. Like, we have a EMV validation, if I remember correctly. So let me just add this, just to be sure. Let's check again. Maybe that's the issue. No, it's not. Before ending this live, I want the prompt and answer working and the import image working as well. So, guys, I, I need to show you something. I just got this in the in my feed. So let me just get a screenshot. Okay. So okay, let me crop it a bit because we crop like this. Um, Sorry guys, I have huge ADHD, so I hate when stuff are just. Uh, I don't want to see this bar, but we're okay. Let's keep it like this forever. So let's put a small MIT license on it. How do you put 10 dashes? Like, I don't see them. Let me mention those people. I don't want to put a full MIT license. Okay. People who invented OCR should have their place in heaven for sure. So let me tag people, TXDR, and the other people, the other person here. Okay. So now that we did this super important thing, let's get back to our stuff. So now, Let me just clear the cache. I said, let me just clear the cache. That thumbnails here should be empty, yes. Let me also check if Codex is done. Here. Let me check if the EMV is set in the right place, because maybe that's the issue. Open router API key, open router API key. No, that's right. So that's not the issue. Now, I want a tomato riding a rhinoceros. I think I have it here. No, we can say a rhino if you don't understand. Let me improve this. We'll have issues. Let's see what are our issues. Copy console. Let's also change the model, because if that's the problem, it's my bad. GBT, let's say 5 mini, maybe. I think that's the same issue. 4.0. Yeah, same, totally same issues. Yeah. Let's bring back the model to 5 nano. But I don't understand why the root, like this thing, is here and not in the convex file. Is it right that the prompt and answer is here and not in the convex file? Maybe I'm saying something stupid, but it should be, everything related to backend should be there, no? Maybe I'm just stupid. Could be. People really hate M dashes. That's funny. It's the same as people that now hate. That's, you're completely right. Okay. Let's just move it to convex, just to have everything in the same place. Okay, I want to share something that is this. Is open router model usage thingies. A Grok code fast did 100 billion tokens. Yeah, for the people who don't know, XAI released a new model. It was called Sonic. It was its code name. Then it was released as Grok Code Fast. It did 100 billion tokens in the first week or so, 2 weeks, something like that. And people are comparing it with Sonnet 4. Now, I still didn't see anyone saying that Grok Code Fast is better than Sonnet 4. Like, no one, literally no one. So, I don't know. Did you use it? What's your experience with that? Let me know in the comments. Because I tested it just as liver, and honestly, I don't find it better than Sonnet. But it would be insane if it was better than Sonnet. Only because the pricing, like the pricing difference is crazy. If you see Grok Code Fast, yeah, here is 20 cents inputs, 150 outputs. Sonnet is 315. I mean, and I understand that the pricing, of course, is not related to the performance intrinsically, but yeah, I mean, there surely is a correlation if the two models are really good. So, and made for the same scope, because Sonnet 4, it's made for Codex. Like, it's not like it's made for anything else. So, yeah. I mean, Elon Musk was pushing Rock code a lot in the presentation, but I guess is not as good as they imagine it. And it's okay. I mean, Grok 4 is still a really, really, really good model. Let's see also on no, cos'è? AI. Let me just check in our website real quick. I have it here. Yeah, artificial analysis. Let's see if they added Grok 4 fast. No, Grok 3 mini. Maybe they still Grok 3? Grok 3? No, I think they still didn't do the testings. Let me just go here. Let me see if they have Grok 4. I want to call it Grok 4 mini, but it's not Grok 4 mini. It's Grok 4 code. No. And also, just another interesting thing, they open sourced Grok 2.5, and it became like one of the top plugin face spaces for a while. So that's pretty interesting. Let's try again. Everything exploded. Amazing. Oh, I need to. Yeah, I need to run convex stuff. Yes. Oh, this is empty now. Okay. Let me go to convex from.ts. I need to oh, okay. Wait. Let me open. First of all, it's fun. Add ISDK OpenAI. So let me add this. Install OpenAI. Let me go to the Open SDK. No, the AI SDK. AI SDK docs. Let me search the OpenAI. How do I install this? Install AI SDK. Bunny. One. I feel so retarded right now. How do I install? Okay. I don't understand why it shouldn't work with ban. Ban install done. E. Okay. Yeah, I'm just an idiot. Wherever. It's a given at this point. So let's try again. Can you, por favor, generate this fucking rhino? Okay. Oh yes, the convex swing is still a thing. Yeah. Linux convex dev. Let me also find the OpenAI model. Okay. 4.0. Oh, okay. Do I have my backend thing? No. CD. Backend here. Let's run this. Plug once. Mm. Let me drop my convex bomb. Convex. Okay. Everything exploded. Yeah, that's the right term for a bomb. Come on. Okay. Now, bunny. And let's run again Codex then. Let's wait for this to finish. Is this the right way to run convex? I don't know. Don't ask me. But every time I do this, it gets unstuck. So let's see if it's the same this time. Oh, it is. But I mean, it's the same with everything. If it doesn't work, just nuke it. So yes. Let's try another time, another more time. Let's get the rhino here. Okay, what's the issue now? I need to set up it in the comeback as a thing. Makes sense. Oh, let me just do two things. First of all, let me get my MVs in convex. So MV. So I need to copy it here in the env.local, and let me get it also in the convex dashboard. Convex that here. Settings, environments. We add this as well, and we are good to go. So now, are you gonna work or not? That's my question. Let's refresh the server. Let's see which port are we. 306. 306. Okay. Let's make this Rhino. What's the issue now? Got an invalid JSON response. Please ping parts and fix this. Search the internet if needed. I'm just doing everything the lazy way because probably fixing it is too easy. So I'm reading stuff that I cannot show you. So that's why I'm laughing. Come on, Codex, you can do it. I trust ya. I believe in ya. Hi. That's it. Okay, let's get to the thingy. Come on. It's doing something. Oh, it's failing better. We don't know. Because maybe it's retrying. What is it doing? Oh, we killed the server. We did. It's not doing anything. Reload. Okay, it's starting now. Prompt announce review and generate. Okay, he said something. Let's see. Announce. That's I think I'm gonna use at this point another model completely because I'm getting. Mm, Let me use Kimi at this point. Let me just. Okay, it worked. It worked. Jesus fucking Christ! How many tokens he outputted? I think we have. Okay, now I got the issue. It's we have like a 5k tokens here. Let's use a lot less, 1.5. Also, it's not super funny to read it like this, so we should. Okay, let me fix those two things. Here, please fix and also add, no, show the whole text that was generated instead of just a one-liner like this. Let's give it a screenshot. But at least now it works. So, surely better than before. Come on, you can do it. I want to be so successful that my database is going to use convex via PlanetScale. One day, one day, one day I'm going to make real house. Or I'll let AI do it for me. Just wait for Sonnet 5. So Anthropic move. Or maybe Gemini 3. Could be. We see people discovering Kadi. Well, first thing you learn when you use a VPS. Oh, yes. Oh, it's getting pretty late. We've been streaming for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Jesus. Yo. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. I like this. I mean, I would love to say I like it, but we can put the. Okay, let's do it like this. Put the prompt and answer button at the right of the generate thumbnail, please. Can do it like this. Also, let's try to generate this thumbnail. And I didn't check if the compression worked, by the way. And if the image is not here instantly, I don't think it will. Oh, now, eh? I see that. What the fuck happened? Did it really generated the text? Okay, no. So I see it as a text. Let me refresh. Maybe it's just an issue of the. I don't know. Okay. I mean, the import works, so we are okay with that for now. Import, and it worked before, and now it's a bit. Import. Did we implemented the compression? The image is so good. Jesus, the new Gemini model is so good. Let me see if we implemented the compression in my convex dashboard. If the images are still 1 mega, I think it didn't work. Files. It didn't work, not at all. So I don't think so. Please fix it. Also, one other thing that I want to add is make sure I can crop the image in every aspect ratio I want. Can I do queue messages? Ooh, nice. I can queue messages. So now let's edit instructions and let's say make the rhino pink. Generate. Oh, nice. Oh, now I think now the compression will. No, it does. It's still implementing it, so let's try to import the pink rhino image. Everything is working smoothly. The only problem is the compression still, because we have images. I have like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 megabytes worth of images in just 2 images here, so Convex is gonna scream soon. And it makes sense. Have it. It's difficult to download images, I think, just because they are heavy as fuck. So I think off camera, I'm just gonna work on some compression. I will make some researches on what's the best option. So, yeah, we got a bunch of errors. So let me just do bunny install. Okay, what's that? Okay, we have a problem with the bear shoots, I guess. That's the main issue. But it's okay, I'm gonna work on it off camera. I just wanna see if I can edit the aspect ratio. This should be pretty easy. So let's do this as the final thing. And then we all go to watch Kaiju number 8, because that's the really important thing to do. Also, I think on Saturday, people don't give a fuck. I mean, they don't give a fuck in general, but even worse on Saturday. So it makes sense. Just trying to make a bit of content before I go on vacation. So, in fact, after this live, I'm gonna watch Kaiju number 8, and after that, I'm gonna record the how to vibe code apps on mobile from mobile. Fuck, that's a really good title. Let me just notes. How to vibe code mobile. How to vibe code apps from mobile to mobile. It was something like that. So we'll go back to the recording. It was even cooler. So. So now, can I crop the image somehow? There's one little problem with all the image AI generators that I tried is the aspect ratio. Like they have huge problems with 16:9. So I cannot use it directly as thumbnails. I always need to convert it in Canva or wherever. So this would be really, really good. Okay, let's see. No, I also want to crop the images once they are already generated. I think AI Studio released some. AI Studio. AI Studio. Um, It just flashed in my Twitter thingy. I don't see it. I think it's from yesterday. Yeah. Okay, I have the crop button. Let's see how it looks. Crop. Doesn't do anything. It doesn't work. Doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Oh, oh. Look at that. 16 by 9. Download. Let him load the image. So 16 by 9. And zoom. Okay, I mean, let's mark it as working. And one thing that I'm gonna do 100% is working on the compression, like understanding how to do real compression. So let me also clear a bunch of stuff. So thank you everyone that saw the live of the video, the live or the video. And let me know if you have any question about the tool we are using, about AI in general, literally about anything. You can go in my public group. Let me get to my X account. I'm actually gonna post it now because I think I remade the video. So let me just get to post drafts. I think I have it here. So you can just join my public community here. And if you are an AI first company, a founder of either an AI company or a DeFi company, you can just DM me and you will get access to my private community. So let me just share this. I will pin it in my profile so it will not be lost in all my shit posting. The video couldn't be. Oh, I think it's uploading or something. Okay, I think he just lost the video. Let's get the video back. I made the video in Flow, that is the Google app to use VO3, like the full quality model. So let me just get back to Flow so I can show you. It's pretty cool. And it's loading my projects. Give it a second. Like here. Let me bring them back. So I just added my mascot, and that's what it did. I mean, that's pretty cute. So let me download it again. Let's stop this because the sound is crazy. So download, and let's upload it back. Oh, I think I need to crop it again. Okay, another quick, um, no, I think I opened cursor. No, clear. Let me open Codex. Another quick tip. If you need to crop something, let's say I want to crop this video. So let's put it here. Please use FFmpeg to remove the black parts of this video and make it 1:1. It usually works with Cloud Code. I cannot use it because I don't have, and I finished all my credits. So let me see if it's gonna do it here, and you can do a lot of things with FFmpeg. Ah, I saw a bunch of funny stuff on Twitter lately of people shitting on FFmpeg. I don't understand. It powers a lot for like streaming services, etc. So, and it's super useful, and it's free because it's open source. I mean, better than this. Mm, Let's see if we can do it. I know for a fact that with Cloud Code you can, because that's how I processed mine, the video you saw before. But I think I deleted it from memory. So, let's see if Codex can do it. It's a bit slow. Okay, let's see. Mm, please proceed, I guess. I don't know if we already did it. Hmm. No, it's still like this. Yes. I mean, AI is the only way using FFmpeg. The commands are crazy. They're basically impossible to remember. Come on. Okay, you have the file. Let him finish. Yes, nice. Nice. That's so good. That's so good. And also, it's slow because my PC is a potato as well. But with really powerful PCs, this should be almost instant. I mean, really fast. And it's free. Look, we made something for free. Instead, you should have gone to, I don't know, CapCut, DaVinci, Final Cut, and we don't need it. We just did it like this. So, yeah, that's a good way to finish our live. Let me pin my little ghost. And again, thank you everyone that either saw the live or the video. And see you in 2 weeks, or better, 8 days, because I'm gonna be on vacation for one full week. So, love you all. Bye bye.